Ever wondered why your margaritas never taste like a tropical dream? Today we're revealing the top 5 blenders for margaritas that transform every sip into pure bliss. Stay tuned to discover your perfect party starter. I've handpicked the best and you can grab them through the links in the description. At number 5 is Chefman Obliterator. Most home margaritas fail before the first sip. Ice melts, blades stall, and the party energy disappears. That's the real problem when searching for the top 5 best blender for margaritas. You want bar-level texture, not chunky regret. This is where the Chefman Obliterator steps into the conversation. First impression. Power you can hear and feel. Its high-torque motor and hardened stainless steel blades tear through ice fast, creating that smooth, frozen swirl margaritas demand. No shaking the jar. No mid-blend panic. Everyday use matters too. The large capacity pitcher handles party batches easily, while simple controls keep things stress-free. Cleanup is quick, though the base is slightly heavier than compact rivals. Great for stability, less ideal for tiny kitchens. Performance check. Compared with others, the Obliterator delivers finer ice consistency, though it runs louder at full speed. Final takeaway. When frozen drinks finally taste like the vacation you imagined, you know you chose wisely, and this blender earns. At number 4 is Hamilton Beach Power. Ice doesn't forgive weak motors, and that's where most margarita nights fall apart. Sticky chunks. Watery pours. Guests pretending it's fine. When people search for the top 5 best blender for margaritas, they're really chasing one thing: smooth ice without chaos. That's where Hamilton Beach Power quietly earns attention. Segment by segment, it delivers what matters. A strong watt motor that crushes ice instead of stalling. Wave action blades that pull everything down, not fling it outward. Simple controls that don't interrupt the moment. The upside? Reliable frozen drinks in minutes, even with stubborn ice cubes. Cleanup is easy, which matters more than most admit. The downside is noise. It's not subtle, but power rarely whispers. Compared with others, Hamilton Beach Power skips luxury finishes and focuses on performance. You trade flashy presets for steady results and real value. The real relief comes when the salt rims stay waiting, not melting. And the last sip proves you didn't overpay to get it right. On number 3 is Nostalgia Margarita. Most margarita blenders fail at the one moment that matters, when the ice hits the blades and the party pauses. That frustration is exactly why the Nostalgia Margarita earns its place among the top 5 best blenders for margaritas. This machine isn't built for quiet kitchens, it's designed for weekends, laughter, and frozen drinks done right. The real problem buyers face is uneven texture, watery sips, or chunky ice. Nostalgia solves this with its powerful ice shaving system and large capacity pitcher that keeps rounds flowing without constant refills. Short bursts. Smooth pours. No guesswork. Compared with others to a standard, this margarita maker trades raw power for purpose-built consistency. The upside is effortless frozen drinks with a retro vibe that guests notice. It's more specialized, so it won't replace your daily smoothie blender. Still, for margarita nights, it delivers relief value and that satisfying feeling of choosing the right tool. When the salt rims sparkle and the blender hums, you'll know exactly why this choice feels different. At number 2 is BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush. Ice doesn't forgive weak blenders, and margaritas expose every flaw in seconds. That's the real frustration. You buy a powerful blender, load it with ice, and end up with slush on top and chunks at the bottom. When comparing the top 5 best blenders for margaritas, known thing separates the reliable from the regretful: consistency. This is where BLACK+DECKER earns attention. Its multi-speed control and stainless steel blades are tuned for real kitchen use, no marketing promises. Ice crushes evenly. Lime blends smoothly. The motor doesn't panic halfway through the pour. In daily use, it feels practical. Easy jar handling. Straightforward cleaning. No overthinking required. The downside? It won't match the raw power of premium pro-grade blenders, and ultra-thick frozen mixes may need a quick pulse reset. Compared with others, a BLACK+DECKER trades brute force for balance and value. For home margaritas that feel intentional, not improvised, this choice quietly makes sense. Now moving to the last one is Ninja BN701. Ice doesn't forgive weak blenders. One wrong choice and your margarita turns into watery regret. That's the real frustration most people face when hunting for the top 5 best blender for margaritas. Crushed ice that isn't crushed, uneven texture, and motors that tap out mid-party. This is where the Ninja BN701 quietly earns attention. Not with hype. With results. Its 1,400-watt motor attacks ice fast while the total crushing blades turn stubborn cubes into smooth bar-style slush. Short bursts. Clean blends. No chasing chunks with a spoon. The large pitcher makes sense for gatherings, though it can feel oversized for solo drinks. Compared with others to the BN701 trades portability for power and consistency. You gain smoother margaritas but lose countertop space. It's not flawless, noise is noticeable, and cleanup takes a minute, but the payoff is reliable texture every round. If your goal is restaurant-style margaritas at home, this blender doesn't guess. It delivers and lets the glass do the talking. Among the blenders you listed, Ninja BN701 is the winner. It consistently ranks at the top in comparisons for power, performance, and versatility. It has a 1,400-watt motor with auto IQ programs that handle smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice crushing effortlessly, and can blend large quantities in its 72 Oz pitcher, great for families or frequent use. Its smart presets take guesswork out of blending, and its parts are easy to clean, making it a reliable and long-lasting choice overall. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best blender for margaritas. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.